Hey guys, welcome to Brian's Garage. Today I want to share with you a little tip on how to clean your idle air control valve on a Honda F23 A1 4-cylinder motor. This happens to be a 98 Acura CL, but your 98 through 2002 Honda Accords will be the same thing. Your idle air control valve is located in the back, right back there. You see that plug right there? Let's see if I can focus on it. Right down there. That's your idle air control valve, and what it does is it sucks air. I don't know if you can see up in there. Do you see that? You see I got that hose stuffed up in that hole? There's a hole right back up in there next to the butterfly, and this I've got this hose stuck up in there. This is a I don't know, what is it? Well, it's not marked, but I think it's probably 1/4 inch or 5/16. Anyways, I just jammed it up in there. It's kind of a hard, well, no, I got it right there. Anyway, it's in there. All right, and then I'll start the engine, and then I'll take this little squirt bottle here, this ketchup bottle, that I put a little bit of Seafoam in. I've already done this, so it's almost gone, but, and you start the engine, and then you just pour it into that tube, into that hose, and just a little bit at a time. Not enough to kill the motor, but almost, right? And then once you get down to the bottom of that, you'll go ahead and just kill the motor with it and let it soak. Well, there we go, that's better. And that should clear up your idle problems. This way you don't actually have to take the whole thing off and clean it manually. You know, you can just do a quickie job like I'm doing here, and it will work just fine. Well, unless it's really gummed up. But that's the quick job. Obviously you do have to remove your intake pipe, which is that thing, right? But that's no big deal, right? You can figure that out. Hey guys, it's the next day, and I've driven the car about 30 miles and in some stop and go traffic, gridlock, you know, where you're having to stop every now and then to allow people to merge and this sort of thing. And my whole idle shudder, which was my original problem, that's gone. So when I let off the gas, push on the clutch, I no longer have the idle drop really low and shudder, and then come up and then drop really low and shudder. So that's gone. So this fix worked. Now I don't believe this fix is going to be a long-term solution. Eventually I'll buy a gasket from Honda and pull the thing off and properly clean it. But for a quick fix, just to keep you going until you get your gasket or have time to clean it, this does work. So. Oh, I don't think I told you how much of the Seafoam I used, and I used maybe 1/8 of a can, and I put it in that ketchup squeeze bottle, and I put in half at a time. I did 1/2, and then I killed the car, let it soak for a while, then turned the car on, and then revved it up and let it go back down idle. I did that 4 times, and what that does is it actuates the valve, and then I repeated the process until the rest of it was gone, and then again I let it soak overnight, and that's how it worked. I got a shift here. Now if you do like me and forget to plug your map sensor back in, you're going to throw a check engine light. If you do that, just go ahead and disconnect your battery cable and let it set for a minute, and plug it back in. That light will go away. Obviously you'll have to reset your radio and clock and all that fun stuff, but that'll reset your check engine light. So anyway, that's it for Brian's Garage. Hope this helps you guys out. We will talk at you later.